everyone, Natalie at Britannia Kitchen and Home. Today we're going to make something fresh and crispy. We've been doing a lot of baking and a lot of bread making and eating a lot of calories and carbs, and I thought it was time perhaps to switch over to some salads. Salads can get really quite boring after a while, but when you have a really good one out at someone's house or at a restaurant, you think, why aren't I eating more salads? So this is one I stumbled on, I can't recall where, a few years ago, and I love it. It's great for dinner parties. It's unusual but really easy to pull together, and you can make it look quite classy. So it's a pineapple and mint salad, and it's got some Thai flavors in there. So if you're not used to cooking with Thai ingredients, you might have to add a few things to your grocery list. So what I've got today is I've got some romaine lettuce that's already washed and torn. It's about probably half of a head of romaine lettuce. I've got a half of a fresh pineapple. I've got some fresh mint, green onions, cucumber, and then for the dressing we're doing lime, brown sugar, fish sauce, and if you like a little bit of heat, we've got a Thai red chili pepper in there. Just use half, and you can add a little more if you like a little more heat. So you can put this in a bowl and give it a little toss like that, or you can plate this if there's individual plates. That looks really elegant too. So I'll start by doing just a little bit of chop. I've just got a little cucumber here, but you can use a large cucumber, I think would be a better measurement. And just little bite-sized chunks. It over, and we'll add our pineapple. I would not suggest using a canned pineapple. I think it would be far too acidic for this salad. So this was just a golden brown pineapple. It's super sweet and yummy. And we'll add our mint on there. Again, I wouldn't suggest dried mint. I think fresh mint is a much better option. And then we'll get our green onions on there. These were pretty big green onions, so I probably won't use all of this. Can really smell the fresh mint. Yummy. Okay. And then for our dressing, so we need 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I've got 2 teaspoons brown sugar here. And then we need a zest and a juice of 1 lime. Smells wonderful. So this salad is lovely on its own. You can add some prawns if you like and want to make it a meal, or if you're serving it as a side, you can use some grilled pork, maybe with a peanut sauce, coconut rice, sauteed chicken, something like that would be lovely with this salad. Just a little bit of chili in here. You can use seeds and everything going in, but just baby pieces. Great. I just drizzle over. If you're doing on plates, you can just drizzle it on the plates. Looks so pretty and smells fabulous. And if there's no peanut allergies with your guests, about a handful of chopped peanuts. It's great. Just gonna put a little bit of the toss. Great, we've got a lovely fresh Thai salad. Thanks everyone, see you next time.